the brand new Tornador BLACK Z-020RS. The tried and tested rotate set technology is now equipped with the newly developed spring impact technology. This strengthens the cleaning impact and intensifies and deepens the cleaning process. Just like shaking out a floor mat, every single impact hits the dirt and loosens it from the textile. The Tornador Z-020RS has more power, works deeper into the material and, as a result, achieves better cleaning success. The Z-020RS is the cleaning gun for all professional applications. With the new RS series, all Tornador guns are equipped with a built-in air regulator in the handle. The new regulator allows even more precise adjustment of the airflow. The new swivel air inlet offers more flexibility, and the Tornador guns can be put down without tipping over. The sealed ball bearings have made the Tornador BLACK the world's leading cleaning gun for all professional applications. Wear of the rotation sets has been minimized and the air consumption optimized. The Tornador BLACK Z-020RS convinces with its low detergent consumption, low noise emission and an excellent feel. The new ergonomic handle design results in low vibration and cold insulating handles, which allow a safe grip and fatigue-free work, even during longer applications. Depending on your hand size, the trigger allows flexible 1- or 2-finger operation without putting pressure on the ring finger. Newly developed valve technology ensures excellent pressure equalization in the cleaning cup and prevents dripping from the valve when working overhead. Handholds in the cleaning cup make opening and closing easier, especially with wet or slippery hands. The viewing window facilitates precise mixing of cleaning liquids and provides an exact view of the current level of the cleaning liquid at all times. The Tornador BLACK Z-020RS is the preferred cleaning gun for cars, trucks and public transportation, but also in industrial applications, building cleaning, aviation and shipping. Now with enhanced ergonomics and a new feel in the all-new design. Tornador RS. No compromises.